We found a forgotten king in a dark garage. Beneath these cobwebs lies a GT-R Nismo that the world forgot. One swipe of the finger reveals the legendary badge. The heart is still there, it's just covered in time. The doors creak, protesting the light. It's been far too long since this cockpit saw a driver. First, we peel back the years, high-pressure water to strip away the neglect, and a thick blanket of foam to lift the deep-seated grime. As the foam slides away, the soul of the Nismo starts to peek through. The reflections are returning. The clay bar glides across the hood, pulling out the microscopic hitchhikers that water couldn't touch. Under the hood, it's a forgotten machine. But after a careful steam and detail, that signature carbon fiber is finally breathing again. Preparation is everything. We mask off the perfection to begin the surgery underneath. Deep cleaning the foundation, watching years of road grime and oil surrender to the pressure, breaking the tension. These bolts haven't moved since 2015 until now. Stripping away the layers, even the heat shields were holding on to a decade of the desert. Scrubbing away the build-up, returning the drivetrain to its factory-clean finish, one stroke at a time. Deconstructing the cabin, every seat removed and every bolt labeled, precision in every step of the teardown, the most satisfying part. Hearing the grit and neglect of 10 years finally disappear. The hidden reality. Lifting the console to reveal a decade of trapped debris that never saw the light of day. Restoring the slide, stripping away the gritty old grease to make these rails glide like the day they left the factory, extracting the decade, watching the foam turn dark as it pulls the deep-seated grime out of every fibre. We're going deeper. The engine cover comes off, exposing the twin-turbo heart of the beast. Draining the old lifeblood, a steady release as we clear the system for a fresh start. Lifting the lid on a decade of heat, the inner surfaces are stained, but the mechanical heart is still beating, erasing the friction, carefully scraping away the sludge to reveal the clean engineering underneath. Carbon deposits don't stand a chance. After a solvent bath, the turbo impellers spin with zero resistance, ready to spool once more. Precision under pressure, removing the fuel rail to inspect the injectors and clearing the grit from every seal. Deep cleaning at a molecular level, using ultrasonic vibrations to shake loose the hidden deposits inside. Flushing the old lifeblood, fresh glossy coolant flows in, ensuring this V6 stays cool under the coming pressure. Draining the old fluid, dark, heavy, and full of history, clearing the way for a smoother shift. Restoring the shine to the gearbox, scrubbing away years of road grime to reveal the clean casing beneath. Sealing the performance, a fresh gasket and a clean surface to keep the power exactly where it belongs. Stripping back the heat, deep cleaning the calipers to create the perfect surface for a high-performance finish. The signature touch, layering on a fresh coat of high-temp paint to bring the GT-R Nismo's stopping power back to life. Aligning the suspension and torquing every bolt to spec to ensure the Nismo handles like a dream. From brake dust to a mirror finish, sealing these wheels with a ceramic coat for a deep, permanent shine. Leveling the surface, smooth, even strokes to strip away the years, leaving nothing but a clean slate for the new paint. Correcting the battle scars, filling the dents and sanding them flush until the body lines are perfect once again. The final refinement. Wet sanding until the surface is glass smooth and the water runs clear. Building the depth, layer by layer, the signature color returns, richer and deeper than before. The mirror moment, one final pass to lock in the shine and bring the reflections back to life. This is where the magic happens. Wet, sanding the clear coat and polishing with the rotary buffer to turn paint into liquid glass. The final signature, aligning the legend back to its rightful place. The cabin is complete, everything bolted down for the first drive. The finishing touch, restoring that deep satin glow to the rubber. The moment of truth, one push of the button and Godzilla is awake. From a dusty relic to a showroom masterpiece, the GT-R Nismo has returned.